Hey there. Want to save money on shopping, dining, and travel without clipping coupons? Amex Offers delivers targeted discounts and bonus points right to your card account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use them. Log into your Amex online account or app and find the Amex Offers section. You'll see a grid of available offers from various merchants, like $50 back on $250 at Dell or extra 2x points at grocery stores. To activate an offer, simply click Add to Card. Then, use that specific Amex card when you shop with that merchant, online or in-store, before the offer expires. The statement credit or bonus points will post automatically within a few days. My crucial pro tip? Add every offer you might possibly use. There's no limit to how many you can save, and adding them reserves the deal. If your plans change, you haven't lost anything. It's like creating your own personalized book of coupons. That's effortless savings hiding in plain sight in your account. What's the best Amex offer you've ever used? Let me know in the comments. If tips that save you money excite you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.